toy cars during this video, and the first one is the 2002 Audi R6 Avant. Open the car now. And that's part of the Matchbox 3.
Toy cars in their indespicable packaging.
I know, right? Here's the Audi R6 2002 unboxed. Alright, next car is the Nissan Titan Warrior concept, which is apparently a popular one at Walmart and Target stores because they don't have many of it. Alright, now unbox the car.
I think this is bigger than my Gladiator. This one is like the hardest toy car packaging I've ever been.
And there's one of the next car. Say one, sir. 2018 Ford Mustang Custom GT race car with the special feature too. Right now, unbox the car. And 2018 Ford Custom Mustang GT race car unboxed. Next car is the Corvette C7R race car. The Ford and the Corvette will be featured in my Le Mans Endurance Cars tournament, which I will probably be doing in a few days or so from now. And there's the Corvette out of its box. Alright, next car.
My favorite's the Corvette.
Is the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. The Super Snake and the Corvette are part of the Hot Wheels Race Team or Race Day series for 2019. And both of these aren't new because Hot Wheels have made the Super Snake and the Corvette C7R earlier. As in like 2 or 3 years before these ones came out. And there's the Super Snake out of its box. Alright, next car. Is the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck.
The off-road section.
Part of the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. This is a brand new 2019 car.
We have a guest.
And that's my dog Bentley right there.
It's here?
Yeah, now unbox it. This is the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. It's new for 2019. Alright, now open the car.
Has lots of new cars here.
Yes. And there's the MX-5 Miata out of its box now. Alright, last car is the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. It's a V6 power. And this is also a new car for this year as well, actually. And they had 2 colors. The second one is red, which is the one I have. The first one was white.